Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the Uberleben Stöker stove, and I can already tell this thing is pretty high quality. Feels very nice. Includes this waxed canvas bag, and essentially what this is a flat pack bio stove. So all of these panels will assemble. You could feed twigs, sticks, pine cones into this thing, and you never have to carry a fuel canister again. And this thing weighs only like 17 ounces. The finish on these panels, I think they call it a bead blast, very nice. You have a sturdy little box topped with a 304 stainless grill grate for cooking or boiling water. Very sturdy. Design aesthetic is on point. This thing is beautiful. The Stöker flat pack stove from Uberleben, 10 out of 10, highly recommended. Pick yourself up one. Cheers.